Ever worried about a flat tire on the road or a deflated ball before a big game? We've got the perfect solution to keep you moving and playing. Meet the Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator. This compact, cordless air compressor is your go-to for quick tire top-ups and emergencies. It fits right in your glove box or backpack. Inflate car, motorcycle, or bicycle tires in minutes. Its powerful 120 psi capacity handles most vehicles with ease. No more guessing. The Airmoto features a digital pressure gauge for precise readings. Just set your desired PSI, and its auto shut-off function does the rest. It even has a built-in LED light for nighttime use. Plus, it comes with multiple adapters for balls and other inflatables. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend cyclist, or a sports enthusiast, proper tire pressure is crucial. The Airmoto ensures you're always ready. Avoid unexpected delays and costly roadside assistance. This reliable tool is an essential part of any emergency kit. Don't wait for a flat to wish you had one. The Airmoto is currently available for just $59.99, a significant saving from its original price. Join over 23,000 satisfied users who rate it 4.3 stars. Ready to upgrade your safety and convenience? Click the link in our bio to grab your Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator now. Stay prepared, stay safe.